Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send iMessage voice message. All right, so first up, open up the messaging app, and then once you're in here, open an iMessage or an iMessage conversation with another Apple user. For example, this one. Okay, so once you're in here, just tap the plus sign at the bottom left. Now go ahead and tap on audio. All right, tap on it. As you can see here, it's now recording live. Hello, mic test, mic test. And once you're happy with your recording, go ahead and tap on the stop button and then listen to it, preview it. As you can see here, it's now recording. And once you're happy with it, tap on send, and then you're good to go. All right. And as you can see here, the person should get this specific message. And when they go ahead and tap on it, they'll be able to tap on play right here. Tap on it. As you can see here, it's now. Or they can share it and some other options. So just tap on done and you're actually good to go. And by the way, important note here, by default, Apple automatically deletes sent or received voice messages 2 minutes after you listen to them to save phone storage. Now, if you want to save an individual message, again, just tap on it. There you have the save button right here. Scroll all the way down and save to files. Also, you can stop them from ever expiring when you go ahead over to settings right here. Go ahead over to the very bottom, tap on apps, and then go ahead and go to messages right here. And then after that, we are going to scroll down to find audio messages. All right, just scroll down and find audio messages. Expire after 2 minutes? No, never. Okay, and that is how you send iMessage voice message. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.